we are on the workbench in the office working on adding the just plug light system to the bridge. This is the initial placement. I had drilled the holes, and so we got them in there now, and I'll have to be running the wiring, which is all over the place right now. So I'll be running the wiring starting with this one underneath. I haven't decided exactly how to cover it up. I might use some wire glue that I have that's black that might work a little bit. And I'll take it down to this here, and then this will go down through the table under Union Station down to all the connections for the lighting system. I'll need two of them, the connections, because there's two sets of lights here. So so anyway, we'll be doing that off in the future. Thanks for watching. Just a short video. This is a test of the lighting on the bridge, and it's using that just plug lighting system. There's all the hookups over there, but this is just a test. What I did, and I'll show it in a subsequent video, is I used some 3/32 styrene tubing to run the lines underneath, so they're all under the bridge itself, and then they'll all gather down by the last bridge pier down there. So, but anyway, that's where it stands right now. It probably needs to have that white line down the middle, but I'm waiting on that, so I may go ahead and put it up on the layout and see how it looks. So see you later. Bye. Hi everybody. The Broadway Bridge, as I'm walking up to it, is in place. I went ahead and just put a few vehicles on it just to see what it looked like. You can see there's a thicker post back in there, and that's the one that brings the wires down, and the wires are down here for the lights, and that'll be the final thing, is to check the lights out. Again, in place. So I am still waiting on a white line for the middle, but you know, it eventually will come. So, but anyway, that's what it looks like right now. And like I said, it's still got a final test, but I think it looks pretty decent. So, and it kind of continues the urban look that I'm looking for in the Union Station area. So we'll see you for the final video. All right, this is the final test of the bridge, and I got all the lights working. Of course, it's an electrician's nightmare under here with all the stuff, but they do work. And the only remaining thing to do to the bridge is to add the white line down the center of the bridge, and that one will be done. And remember that this bridge is totally removable from the top of the layout. So the only thing that would need to be done would be the this connection here, and then the whole bridge can be just lifted off the table completely. So, but anyway, this will complete the bridge project, and what I think I'm going to do in the meantime, I've got some other little things I want to work on. I'm adding some decals to some cars and stuff like that, and in fact, that New York Central express car over there is newly done. So that's just one example. But I'm going to try to use some of that microscale stuff for windows. I've been kind of experimenting with it, and so I'm going to try to use that stuff on the newly completed Lawrence station. So, but anyway, thanks for tuning in on this project. And when I get the Lawrence Station done with the windows, I might show that to you all. But I got some other things in the hopper to include a complete tour of the layout, which is a big thing that I'm working on right now. So, but anyway, thanks for watching the whole series. Thank you. Bye.